Okay, so for the castle, again, I'm going to press F and I'm going to center this image up as best as I can. And I'm going to go back to the splice tool, come in here, and I'm going to go click, click. If I want to make sure something is very straight, I can hold down Shift and it will only do a right angle. So then I can come in here and we should be able to do something like that. Yeah, I'll fix that later. Just get something rough in for now. Fix this curve in a bit. Drag that, come up and close the loop. All right, so we can go to the edit tab now and start to refine some of these by selecting invert mode. And I'm just going to bring that slightly in. And that in. I'm going to just grab them all, give them a bit of a fillet. And it's just going to round off bits like that, just make it look a little bit nicer, a bit more detail. And turn off fillet and grab these now. There we go. Gonna weld this one, these two, just weld, and then get this curve where I want it. And now let's have a look at what it looks like with a lathe. And we just need to get the axis and move it over to where we want it to be. There we go. All right. So let's see. Now, I can see something that I definitely want to do is that this shouldn't be flat along here. So I need to add in some extra edges. So let's do create line and come out of here. Let's try break instead. Okay, let's try. I don't know why I can't select anything at the moment. Oh, it's because I'm on some other spline way over there. That's why. And let's select this one. And let's create a line. No, can't do that. Oh, okay, yeah, I can see it's doing something weird there. Break. There we go. And break. Okay, what I'm going to do is move this down here. And move this over here. We're going to move this one down here. This. Delete that. can delete that. And then we are going to move this over here and select those and click attach. And it didn't attach them. Okay, no, let's create a line instead. World vertices. Oh, not there. Okay, no. Let's turn off create line. What am I on? Yeah, okay. Get off that. Let's delete all of these misclick ones. Go back over here. All right. All I want to do is get this to join here. Create line. So from here to here. There we go. And from here to here. Yes. Okay. Grab these. Weld. And grab that. Okay. Yes. All right. And we're going to get fillet. And we're just going to grab that. Grab that. That one doesn't need it. Okay. And let's go back to our lathe. And now we have that. Let's go back to our axis and just grab that. And if we press P, this now starts to look a little bit more like a chess piece, apart from we don't have the cutouts where we would expect them to be for the... can't remember the exact name for this part of a castle. I'm sure somebody will be a know-it-all and tell me in class. All right, so there's a few ways we could go about this. We could convert it to an edible poly. And we could go and say this one, and this one, this one, and this one. Maybe even this one and that one. No, not them two. Let's go just for these two. We could then... In fact, I think this might actually be the best way to go about it. I was thinking of using Boolean. So what I'm going to do is just... yeah. I'm going to go Control and Select. Control and Select. Okay, and we're going to press delete on those parts, and we're going to select these two, well, this edge and this edge, and click bridge, and it didn't select. Okay, let's try again. Let's try and select these two edges, deselect that one, bridge. That worked. There we go. I've deleted too much. Okay, we've got these selected. That's good, but we need to get a even slice out of them. So I'm going to use a slice modifier. I'm going to do it along the the Y axis to bring the slice plane up. And what that is going to do, just give me a place to delete those parts out of it. I think that should do. I don't want it cutting into there, though. Let me have another think about this. So, yeah. I think I am going to Boolean it out because I could then now deselect that, and deselect that, and then rebuild these interiors. But yeah, it's going to be quite finicky as well. I think it's going to take too much time. To bridge all of these together and filling up all these gaps and not look great. It's definitely a way you could approach it, and then we would select that and go cap here and cap. And that sort of works. Maybe I'd select this and bring it up. But I don't think it's deep enough. So what I'm actually going to do is go back to here, get rid of that slice, and I'm going to get a box. And I'm going to move it up into the center, bring it there. I'm going to convert this to an editable poly. I'm going to extend it out. I'm going to make it taller. I'm going to chamfer the bottom edges, so we're nice and round. Click OK. Bring it all the way through. And I'm going to rotate this one. Ooh, this whole element that way, and this one that way. And I think I have 2 cutouts now. I can drop them down a little bit. Select this, go into compound objects, and go into Pro Boolean, start picking, and do that. And I think that looks a little bit nicer. I think, yeah. I'm going to just, in fact, if we do that, what we can actually do is click this union here, and no, this subtraction here. Just press W, and I should be able to advanced options. We want to go to operands in Pro Boolean, and I can lift this up now. So I'm actually manipulating the boxes that are invisible, and I'm going to put them in a place that I think looks a little bit better. Yeah, I think that's nicer. There we go. All right then, so that is the second chess piece. I'm going to change this to black and turn off assign random colors. So we have our next chess piece. All right then, let's just go quickly onto this, convert it to edit poly, grab that, the sphere on the top at least, and just grab another smoothing group, and there we go, it's round on the top. We have 2 chess pieces. All right, so we're going to save the horse for last. We're going to go on to the bishop next.